Hey y'all, let's craft these mini Rangoli flowers together. I made these for the Indian festival of lights called Diwali, but you can craft these year-round. Here's how I did it. These are the supplies that I used. Cardstock paper in all kinds of colors, glue, tape, gem stickers, paper punches, or you can just trace and cut those shapes out, and twine if you're using this as wall decor. First, decide what 2 colors you would like for the leaves. And then punch or cut 4 leaves in each color. This particular cardstock had a nice shine on one side, so I thought it would be good to use for our double-sided Rangoli flower. You'll also need 2 circles, roughly 5/8 inch in diameter for a 3rd color. And finally, you'll need 1 more circle and roughly 1.5 inches in diameter in that 3rd color again. Start assembling your flower Rangoli by adding some glue to one of the tiny circles, and then adhere 4 leaves of that same color around it. All your leaves should be angled in the same direction. Now add glue to the second tiny circle and adhere it in the center. This helps cover up the center stems and make your design a little neater. Adding glue to the sides of 2 leaves that are next to each other, add your second set of leaves in the other color. You'll want to make sure all of these leaves are also angled in the same direction. They can either face the first set of leaves or be facing out. If you want to use your Rangoli for the wall, which means it needs to be double-sided, you'll want to hold off on gluing your larger circle on. I'll show you how to finish this flower in just a second. This is the second part of the design, the 3-dimensional sphere. You'll need 4 circles, all 1.5 inches in diameter for this one. Fold each circle in half. Add glue to each half circle and stack them on top of each other. Take care to line up the hemispheres of each circle and make your stack neat. This is what it should look like. Again, if you're making wall decor, do not glue that last side together. I'll show you how to finish it in just a second. As another option, if you have a different kind of circle punch, you can make your spheres this way as well. I had a scallop punch at home, so I used that on half of my spheres for just a little variety. You'll assemble them the same way by folding and gluing them on top of each other. This is what it looks like before that final step. Okay, if you're turning your Rangoli into wall decor, then this is when you will tape a piece of twine to the unfinished side of your Rangoli. If you're planning on using your Rangoli on a flat surface, you'll still follow the same steps I've shown here, except taping that twine. This is totally optional, but I like using foam squares to adhere the larger circle to the Rangoli. It gives it a 3D look and helps secure the tape a little better in my opinion. Adhere your larger circle to the foam squares and add any embellishments you like to both sides of your Rangoli. You can use glitter, sequins, or gem stickers, which I totally stole from my 3-year-old toddler. Now both sides of your Rangoli are done. These are some other designs that I made with the gem stickers, just to give you some ideas. This is how you add your twine to the sphere. Simply tape your twine to both open circle halves, add glue, and press together. Whee! And this is the finished wall hanging. You can also display your Rangoli flowers on the floor with diyas, or as accents to your mithai thali, or as you just saw, the wall decor. Thanks so much for joining me, y'all. Keep it crafty and happy Diwali!